Welcome. Today I'm going to review the Munchkin White Hot Safety Spoon. So if you're new here, I'm Dan and this is an uncle's guide to parenting. These are the Munchkin White Hot Safety Spoons. They come in a 4-pack of purple, green, orange, and blue. And they're roughly between $4 to $5 for the pack. But these things are really cool because they change colors when they get hot. Reminds me of like old Hot Wheels cars that used to change colors when you ran them under hot water. And I also think they had like nail polish that did that too. So let me show you what I mean. I have the cold, dry spoon and just some warm tap water. So essentially, the warm tap water is going to be our substitute for baby food that you might heat up in the microwave. Bam. You're stirring your baby food, you put in the microwave for 15 seconds or so, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. You're not really too sure because you're an adult, so the heat isn't really that much of a bother to you. But you're not sure how's it going to affect your child. You stir your baby food up, bam, the spoon turns white. Dark blue spoon, bam, we're stirring baby food. Peas and carrots, yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 peas and carrots. And mind you, this is just lukewarm water. And it changes colors. So that way, you, your spouse, or the babysitter knows that the food is too hot for the baby. These things are great. They should make them for adults because I'm sick of burning my mouth all the time on food. So there you have it. The Munchkin's White Hot Safety Spoons. They're good for you and they're good for your baby. I give them 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Be on the lookout for new content in the future. And if you need to, make sure you pick up those Munchkin's White Hot Safety Spoons.